I missed more than 3 Jummahs and I am very ashamed of it.
I missed continuously more than 3 to 4 Jummahs, and I am very ashamed of it. Please tell me, what should I do? I have office at that time, and every Friday I plan to go Jumu'ah, but unfortunately I fail. Please tell me, what should I do now? I will be ending my office from next week, but tell me what and how should I ask Allah for forgiveness, and what should I do for which I missed? I want to be a Muslim always.
The Jumu'ah Salah has great importance and should not be missed without a valid Shar'i excuse. There are many grave warnings mentioned in Ahadith about one that leaves Jumu'ah Salah without a valid reason. One who has missed the Jumu'ah Salah should make tawbah, which is regretting the sin and making a firm intention not to repeat the sin again. The Prophet, peace be upon him, says, "The Jumu'ah prayer is mandatory on every believer in congregation except for 4: a slave, a woman, a child, and a sick person." The mentioned hadith show the great benefits of performing the Jumu'ah Salah and the great harms of not performing the Jumu'ah Salah. One that has missed the Jumu'ah Salah should pray the 4 rak'ah of Zohar Salah within the time of Zohar Salah. If he misses the time of Zohar Salah, then he must make qada of the 4 rak'ah of Zohar Salah, and Allah knows best.